As the story goes, I was young. I was 10 years old, and Farm Day started. The community was changing. It was always a farming community. The real estate market was really taking off. Small businesses were moving in, fixing up Main Street and bringing tourism in. And so my father was on Chambers. Thought it would be a great idea to get everybody together, farmers, real estate, small businesses, so they communicate, see each other, meet with each other, and have a nice luncheon.
I want to welcome everybody to the 50th annual Mel Mello Farm Day Luncheon. It's just been an honor to work with the committee, that we all work together so well, and we're so pleased that everyone is here.
I'm proud to say that I was the daughter of a farmer. Farmers work the land, and they know exactly what to do with their land to make it productive.
I think the best memory I've had is all the friends that I've made. Even though they're competitors, we're all good friends, try to help each other out.
My grandparents were the first cooks at the Farm Day Luncheon 50 years ago, so it's really neat to be here celebrating 50 years later. And I just turned 50, so 50 is a good year.
I've lived here all my life.
It's definitely the artichokes. I love artichokes, so that's my favorite part, is the food and meeting the people that you don't always see all the time.
I farm with my dad, Louis Jacobi, and we enjoy coming to the luncheon and giving each other a pat on the back for keeping up the good work.
I thank my workers. We all talk about the farmer, but I think the farm worker is important as well, because we couldn't do it without them as well as they probably wouldn't be able to do it without us.
Farming is more modernized than it has been. Vegetables are moving, fresh vegetables are moving real good. But at our times, it was just mostly frozen.
We also go to many farmers markets all over the Bay Area, and that's helped us out a lot.
I don't know if there's been really that big of a change. It still reflects the ingenuity and culture of the coast when it comes to farming.
After I graduated from college, I came into the business. I think that was helpful for the business just because, it's become more complicated farming. Years ago, when my grandfather and my father and Bruno and Guido farmed, much more rules and regulations, more technology involved, bigger equipment, and it becomes more complicated and a little more challenging.
Farmers were probably the best environmentalists in the community.
The future is, I think it's very good. They're a little bit smarter too. We didn't do all that school. I say a lot of things have improved quite a bit.
Vegetables and flowers is what's kept agriculture alive in this county. Hopefully we can come up with new ideas and new markets. We can grow it, but it takes markets to absorb what we can grow.
And I think it's appropriate too that here we are with the 50th Farm Day Luncheon, that I think back about Mel and how close a friend he was to our family. And I remember, I think it was in 1986 when my grandfather, my grandmother, myself and my father were up on the stage with Mel Mello.
I'd like to thank Mel Mello Sr. for starting this legacy back 50 years ago, and like to thank Mel Mello Jr. for keeping this tradition going, doing a fabulous job. We appreciate it very much.
I just appreciate what the Chamber has done over the years. Let people know about agriculture, how important it is, because I think people don't realize what this county produces in agriculture, feed a lot of people, and I think it's very important. And, hopefully it continues on.
But I think farming is going to be great.
Thank you all for being here.
Mel Mello Sr. Yeah. My horseshoe playing buddy.